We are at a brand new Taylor Morrison house in Cadence in Henderson, Nevada. This property is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's 2,465 square feet.
It's a 2-story home with a 2-car garage starting off at $575,000.
Yes, this property is so nice, and it does have an HOA of $75. Now the Taylor Morrison homes, they do come with some smart features. It does have a Wi-Fi garage door opener. It does come with a Ring doorbell and a Wi-Fi thermostat.
Here in this beautiful kitchen, you can see that the ceilings have the 9-foot high ceilings here in this home.
So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in and show you this beautiful home. Wasn't that a beautiful home? Didn't you love the backyard? Now it doesn't come with the landscaping, but it does come with a covered patio back there. So the landscaping is your canvas. You can do anything you want with that.
This home being located in Cadence, you've got all access to the amenities here, which are several parks throughout the Cadence community, as well as the pool and other rec centers here. Check out our video on Cadence to see all of the great amenities.
So let's recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a loft upstairs, and an office. So there's plenty of room here for your family. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any information about this property, our information is right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We are here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.